What is net metering? We will see in detail. Net metering is a billing mechanism that credits solar energy system owners for the electricity they add to the grid. Whenever in a daytime excess electricity is generated by a solar system, the rooftop owner sells that excess electricity to the utility grid, and utility grid gives the credit for excess electricity to be added in a solar system. That is nothing but the net metering. For example, if a residential customer has a PV system on their roof, it may generate more electricity than the home usage during the daylight hours. If the home is net metered, the electricity meter will run backward to provide a credit against what electricity is consumed at night or other period when the home's electricity use exceeds the system output. In the night time, when the electricity is not generated by the solar system, the rooftop owner takes out the electricity from the utility grid. So there is a balance between what percentage of electricity has been sent to the utility grid and what percentage of electricity has been utilized from the utility grid, and according to that the monthly electricity bill is generated from the utility grid. Customers are only billed for their net energy use by considering the credit of what the electricity has been sold to the utility grid under net metering. On an average, only 20 to 40% of solar energy system output ever goes to the grid, and this exported solar electricity serves nearby customers' load. In the daytime, when the excess electricity is generated, so on an average in the monthly basis, 20 to 40% of solar electricity has been sent to the utility grid in most of the cases. Net metering allows utility customer to generate their own electricity cleanly and efficiently. During the day, most solar customers produce more electricity than they consume. Net metering allows them to export that power to the grid and reduce their future electric bills. Many states have passed the net metering laws. In other states, utility may offer net metering program voluntarily or as a result of regulatory decisions. Basically, the net metering provision is provided to promote the solar electricity or the green energy in the residential sectors. How net metering works? In this animation, when we see in the daytime the electricity generated by the solar panel, it has been given to the utility grid after consuming certain amount of electricity. In the night time, when the solar panel is not generating any electricity, the customer takes out the electricity from the utility grid. The net meter basically counts how much amount of units has been sent to the utility grid and how much amount of units has been taken out from the utility grid in the night time, and simultaneously the monthly electricity bill has been generated by the utility grid. In this system, in this animation, in the daytime, the solar panels were generating the electricity. It has been sent electricity to the inverter. Simultaneously, inverter gives power to the home units and the home appliances. Also, it sends electricity to the utility grid. In the night time, when the solar power is not available, that time the inverter sends the power is not available from the solar panel and he takes out the power or the electricity from the utility grid. Simultaneously, net meter counts how much amount of electricity has been sent and how much amount of electricity has been taken out from the grid.